The moisture levels are holding steady.
Good. The depth is consistent across the row.
The calibration on row 4 looks good.
Agreed. The spacing is exact.
We are maintaining the centimeter intervals.
Mira, esta tubería necesita un ajuste.
Sí, la presión está un poco baja aquí.
We're set on the hydraulics. How are the blades?
Just finished the rotation test. Everything green.
Harvest 15 is a go. All units proceed with caution. We have heavy dust on the east side.
Maintain speed. We have a clear row ahead.
Acknowledged. Monitoring soil separation.
Keep an eye on the flow rate here, B. We're losing too many good ones. All right, keep it coming straight, easy on the rails. Okay, lock it down and strap it in.
Morning. Documents, please.
Here you are. Thank you. Everything seems to be in order.
Atmospheric scan complete. All levels nominal. Confirmed. Proceed with visual inspection. Pallet scan successful. Tally shows 50 units.
Matches the digital log. Good to proceed, thank you.
The Polyscan array shows a consistent 2% moisture across the batch. The color coding confirms the stability.
jets are performing optimally at this velocity.
Agreed. I'm logging the data now.
Frequencies look spot on. Yeah.
Yeah, separation is clean on the bottom tier.
Approved peanuts flow into towering stainless steel silos, cascading like a golden waterfall. Internal cameras show
We're holding steady at 15.2 tons.
Confirmed. The distribution looks optimal across all supports.
Sequence initiated. Raw materials confirmed and ready for processing.
Acknowledged. All systems green. Proceeding with activation.
Check the temperature on the south end. It's holding steady now.
The heat map is stabilizing now. Okay.
Yes, the core temperature looks consistent.
Check the alignment on the left. It's drifting.
Got it, adjusting the sensor now.
High-speed pneumatic separation ensures that only the finest roasted peanuts continue down the line.
See the spike in viscosity right here at the marker.
Yes, that aligns perfectly with the pressure increase we logged earlier.
A secondary grinder processes a separate peanut flow into coarse fragments designated as crunchy bits.
The
the shear thinning index is slightly elevated on the lower blade.
Yes, I see that. Let's monitor the torque readings for the next cycle.
The high-precision filtration unit utilizes ultrasonic vibrators to separate oversized fragments.
The pressure consistency is exactly within the parameters.
Yes, the uniformity looks perfect. I'll log the batch data now.
The finished product flows smoothly into the stainless steel reservoir. State-of-the-art, pressure regulated.
An automated capping module places and twists each lid with exact torque, spinning arms rotating in synchronized.
The label wrapping engine applies large adhesive labels around each jar, with rollers turning seamlessly as the conveyor accelerates. RFID scanners track each pallet, with digital maps updating instantly as robotic shelves reposition to optimize warehouse flow.
Clear on the left, sensors are green.
Ramps engaging now. Hold steady.